Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check test pattern, which is like a test page, for a Canon MP550. Now this is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel and the little screen you can see here. So from the home screen of the printer, we need to rotate this wheel until we have settings shown on the screen. Press OK. And we press OK again because we need to be in maintenance, which is the first option. Nozzle check pattern, it's the first one. So we press OK again. OK to print. Obviously you're going to need paper in there. And then if you give your printer a minute, you'll end up with a page that looks like this. What it's done is broken down the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow inks that it uses, and these bars are meant to represent its ability to produce all of those colours. Obviously we've got some quite severe issues on this page. Got some few little breaks in the black, which would normally manifest as like a light issue on like text and bits like that. And obviously the magenta is almost completely absent. Magenta is completely absent, so that would result in your pages looking quite greeny because of the remaining two colours mixed. But thankfully, you can hopefully get yourself back up and running by doing some cleaning cycles. So if you use the prompts on screen, you can indicate to the printer that you've had some print quality issues, and then go straight into cleans, following those instructions on screen. From here, you can just do cleans and test pages until you're perfectly happy with the quality of your prints, and hopefully your issue's now resolved. Now thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it's helped. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do drop a comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one.